What's up, ladies and gentlemen? In this video we have something a bit different. I was online, I was looking for some incense, and this is going to be something like a mystery unboxing video, but it's not really like a mystery unboxing video. It's still incense themed, so don't worry, don't panic, all my little incense fans, all 10 of you, wherever you are. And well, I went on eBay and bought a bit of something different. Here it is. It's called Nabeel on the front. It's called Nabeel, and I put a little screenshot because I thought the screenshot of what I brought on eBay sounded pretty funny. So here it is. It's called the Nabeel Touch Me Bukhoor Home Fragrance Al Arabian Bukhoor Incense Aroma 40G. Now, as you can tell, this ain't going to be an incense sticks. My hand's a bit dirty because I've been at work this time. And I don't think it's going to be cones. Sometimes it's cones, but it doesn't look like it's going to be cones. It's in a quite nice packaging, as you can see. It's got a little iridescent sticker on the thing there. I'm trying to get it kind of, so it looks pretty nice. So hopefully you can join with me. I can't read that, but I know it's going to say Nabeel, whatever. But let's open up this box and see what Nabeel Touch Me Bukhoor Home Fragrance Al Arabian Bukhoor Incense Aroma 40Gs looks like inside. I'm gonna decide as you guys because I haven't opened this yet. So let's crack this open. Where do you open it? Where is it? Where's the opening strip? How do I open this? There's no little tag on the side. It should be along the gold line bit. Oh, here we go, I found it. Right, so let's open this up. What is it? I honestly don't know what this is. Right, so I don't know how. Do I have to set fire to it? I don't know. I've got a lighter somewhere. So bear with me a sec. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's in some sort of little packaging. Right, okay, let's open this up. Can't smell it yet. What the fuck? What? It's chocolate. It looks like chocolate. What is this? What is that? Oh my god, it smells really nice. That's amazing. Oh, that is really nice. It's got really strong perfume. Like, you know when you walk into like John Lewis and you've got like a perfume counter? Like, oh, that's really nice. That's fantastic. It's like, I don't know, like chocolate. Like, it feels like chocolate, but it's like almost like some sort of resin. Oh, that's really nice. Do I set fire to it? There's no like information slip inside. I don't know how to use it, but it smells amazing. Oh, that is really nice. That's absolutely fantastic. That smells like like when you go into Boots or John Lewis if you live in England. It smells like when you walk into that area. How am I gonna? Do I set fire to this? Well, I'm gonna try and set fire to this. Well, I'm gonna use this. Upside down. Do I set fire to this? I honestly don't know if this is going to work because I know as much as you at this point. I have no idea. Right. Do I set fire to this? It's not setting fire. It's just not saying. It's not. What do I do? What do I do with this, guys? Seriously, can you help me out here? I'm trying to burn it. It's not nothing. Is it on fire? It's not even flammable. They should make houses out of this stuff. But no, this smells really nice. I'll try and set fire. I'll try and give it another go. There you go. Come on. I don't know what you're supposed to do with it. You're supposed to break it up, like put it in a pot. No, nothing. Look. I don't know what you're supposed to do with this. Right, okay. This is what I think, as a dirty Westerner that's not into Arabian incense. I think, just by guessing, you're supposed to break it up maybe? Like crumble it. It's really crumbly. Maybe put it in a bowl or something. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh, spilled some down here. Oh, my room's already a bit of a mess at the moment. So there we go. I'm going to do that. Just leave it out. I'd give this a strong 9 or 10 out of 10. This smells amazing, but I don't know how to like prepare it or like do anything like that, but my god, that smells really nice. It's like a really strong. That is really nice. Anyway, I give this a 9 out of 10. Whatever it is, it smells amazing. It smells really nice. But if you're a fragrance fan and you know how to use Nabeel Touch Me Bukhoor Home Fragrance Al Arabian Bukhoor Incense Aroma 40 grams, drop me a message. I think you're supposed to crumble it up. Just leave it in your room. But it does smell amazing. This is amazing. It's not incense as in incense sticks. It's not, you know, oils or the cones. This is like some sort of crumbly stuff. But yeah, yeah, this is nice. I'm gonna leave it in my room for a bit, just to clear out the smell of pizza and man. But yeah, that's really good. I give this like a 9 out of 10. That's really strong. That's a really good aroma there. Yeah, that's nice. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Sorry it might be a short one, but it was a bit different. There's a fly in front of my fucking thing. But yeah, thanks for watching, and good strong 9 out of 10, because that smells amazing. Really nice. Smells like Boots John Lewis perfume counter. Anyway, thank you very much, and keep watching. Goodbye.